Hello traders, welcome to Eagle IFX, your number one online channel for your price action trading. So today I want to show you some of the results that I've seen so far. So many results, but let me just talk about a Gbpcad, maybe gold and Cadchf. These are trades that I gave yesterday. All right. So Gbpcad was actually on a downward trend. Okay, so but it was somewhere around here. All right, it was somewhere around here, I remember very well. So if I zoom this, you can see that it's been on a downward trend. So if I go to the daily time frame, so somewhere around here, then you can see that this area has been an area of what has been an area of support. See the market being supported. So I drew this zone because of this area, so it being supported. Then also I saw resistance here. Then also there was this trend line that I drew. So Gbpcad was playing it. So this was my playground. Okay, but now it was halfway to the zone here, or to the trend line. So I went to the 4-hour time frame, and that is where all the action happened. All right, so guys, show some love by liking this video, turning on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on future videos, and also remember to subscribe. All right, remember to subscribe for more content coming also, yeah, for more content that are coming. Okay, so what I did is I drew this zone here. All right, because I saw this market coming, doing a retest, doing another retest, but now it was around here. So I waited for it to come, do another retest for me now to do what? For me now to sell. All right. So I went to the 1-hour time frame. Okay. I went to the 1-hour time frame, and immediately I saw this pin bar over here. That was the time that I entered my what? That was the time that I entered my sales. Okay, so the market came and then went down again, and then did another retest. Now I knew it was time for me to do what? For me to sell. So another confirmation that I had on Gbpcad was I drew my trend line over there, right? I drew my trend line here because there's a touch here and a touch here and a touch here and a touch here. So I said I'm going to wait once it breaks, because I really want to sell here, because you can sell here. You can see if you sell here, then you see that it comes and then it goes back. I easily hit your stop loss before it goes down. So I say that I also wait for this trend line also to break and do a retest for me to enter. And you can see, so you'll have this confirmation as a resistance, this zone confirmation as a resistance, and also you have this trend line which has been broken and retested, all right, as another confirmation. So it did break actually and did a retest. Then immediately I saw the pin bar. That is when now I entered my trades. So I entered my sell here. I put my stop loss just above this one over here. Then I was targeting this lower down, this lower place over here. So I drew this trend line because I saw this as a consolidation to the downside. So perhaps Gbpcad is coming down, consolidate to the downside, and then go up. Okay, what they call a falling wedge. We don't know, right? So I took advantage of this move here, and that is how come I was able to enter this trade, and I targeted, as you can see, 3.5, risking 1% to make the 3%, or 3 times my risk. All right, and then it went down. As you can see, it went down, does not draw down. So my first take profit was here, my second take profit was here, and my third take profit was here, and I'm gonna show you right now. So as you can see, this was my first take profit, all right, 696.95. Okay, then this was my second take profit. So this was almost like 1 times, because in this account I'm risking around 200 to 250. So you can see this one was like 1 time, almost close to 1 time. Then this one was 2 times, and this one it actually didn't hit the 3 times. I closed it because the way the market was behaving, I suspected that the market might easily reverse, so I closed it. And remember, there are no guarantees in the market, so you just have to pay yourself and move on. So as you can see, so I closed it somewhere around here because I also saw this level over here. I suspect this is a level that the market will easily reverse over here. So when we reached here and then I saw this consolidation, I already had adjusted my stop loss to above entry. Let me show you that. So you can see already when I saw this move, I had already adjusted my stop loss to above entry. This was my entry. So you can see that when it did a retest, that is when I entered here, right? So this was take profit 2, which hit, then take profit 3. So it was here that it was beginning to drag that I closed it. But as you can see, as it was consolidating, it still continued. As it was consolidating, it still continued and went all the way to hit 3 times our risk. Okay, and then what happened when it reached here? If I go back to the 4-hour time frame, I think the 2 hour, yes, it was actually on the 2 hours time frame that I actually saw this pin bar over here, and then that was the time that I entered my buys. Okay, put my stop loss just below this zone over here, and then I targeted this point over here. It was almost 4 times. Okay, but now I actually use a very small lot size of 0.01. But as you can see, the market also came all the way. In fact, there was no drawdown at all. And you can see that if you held this, then that could have been a beautiful almost 6 times your risk. So you can see this was the Gbpcad. So you can see I opened with just a 0.01, of which it also went all the way and hit take profit. All right, so that was a very beautiful win we had on Gbpcad, coming down and going up. All right, so now let me show you another trade that we took, or that I gave people for free on the free Telegram group, which was gold. So this was gold. So I told them to sell gold. Gold was around 1798 thereabout. So I told them to sell gold, put their stop loss at 1805, take profit 196, 94, and 90. And normally I recommend 1% risk per trade, 1% of your account. All right. So this was gold. It was around 1798, and then we're going to see how it played out. So let's look at it. So this is gold. All right, and as you can see, it was somewhere around over here. All right, somewhere around here, 1799. I told them so to take sell. Why did I tell them to take sales here? If you go to the 4-hour time frame, okay, if you go to the 4 hours time frame, one of the things you notice is that gold has been on a bearish trend. Okay, so to me this looks like an impulse move, correction, impulse move, correction, impulse correction. So I was expecting an impulse move, but you see rejection here and here and here and here, rejection over here and rejection over here, and also down here there was also another bullish movement over here that gold was respecting. Okay, so you see that we are at a resisting 4-hour trend line. We are also at the resisting this. So this is a bearish resisting trend line, and this is also a bullish resisting trend line of this move. So that's the reason why I knew that this gold might easily fall all the way up to around here. So I told them to sell over here, even though we exited around 1790 thereabout. That is where we exited, around 1790 over there. You can see that actually gold went down all the way up to 334 pips. So this was a very big move for those who continued holding. And as you can see, our take profit 195 and 93 and 89, all of them were hit. All right, all the take profit were hit. So we came out of the market, but if we could have continued holding, then we could have been able to catch that move all the way to the downside. All right, all the way to the downside over here. Right, so this was also another beautiful move that we won. Then last but not the least, let me show you card CHF. Okay, card CHF. Even though card CHF, I never gave it out on the free Telegram group. I think this was just a trade that I took, and yeah, I took it on my VIP. All right, so card CHF was here, right? I remember very well. So there was this zone over here. Okay, let me plot that quickly, and then there was this level over here. So it was somewhere around here. Let me show you that quickly. Yeah, so you can see this was card CHF. It was down around here. So I knew that since we were at the supporting trend line here, and this for me looked like a retest, I was looking forward for this move all the way up to here. So I entered here 74 313. I put my stop loss just below this level, and I targeted this level over there. All right, I targeted this level at 74 791, and as you can see 74 791, it's somewhere around there. So you can see it came all the way and hit our target. All right, hit our target. And as you can see, I said buy at 74 and 74 697. So I held it, and it was actually a 1:2. And like I said, in this account I'm risking 250, 200, 250. That is my risk, and then targeting either 2 times or 3 times, and you can see it closed on take profit at 546.57. All right, so this is a very beautiful move, and I can see also I can see a pin bar here. We are actually at the daily resistance, and also on the 4 hours we are at resistance. So I'm seeing that there might be selling opportunities here. All right, there might be selling opportunities here all the way to this trend line here, or this place over there, or actually it might come down all the way. All right, so that was a very beautiful move that we had, and some of the wins that we had this week. There are many of them from Monday. We had some wins here and there, but I just decided to share this because this was just yesterday, trade that we took yesterday. All right, guys, so if you enjoyed this content, please remember to like and to subscribe to this video, and leave us your comment on the comment section below. Tell us what you'd like us to cover on. If you want to join our free Telegram group, the link is on the description below. You can always click on that link. If you want also Forex classes, we are offering them at a very discounted price, whereby we do market analysis with you, we teach you what we do, and then we let you see from over our shoulders. All right, then we trade with you and we help you grow in your trading career. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. This is Eagle Eye FX signing out.